Okay, so I have received my letter in the post from another actor. I'm about to open it. I see that they had the same problem as me with the wax. Which meant that it didn't properly... looks good though. See, I wish my writing was as clear as this. I don't know how the other person's going to read mine. Okay, dear Alex. Never asking for much even after all these years. A gentleness and a light. You make me smile from my soul. The kitchen dancing, the silliness, those crazy curls you know I'm crazy for. You fill my heart with love and love and love, overflowing every inch of me you've seen, every side, every shadow, but in your arms, still, home, there's a love I feel beyond what I'd ever imagined. For me, with you, my chief cheerleader, even when I've long lost my pom-poms. Sorry, there's a bit of a... It'll give me space to find me once more. We've walked a lot these past few months, watching the seasons lead into one another, acknowledging our changes too, as we process strange ground. The same old parks, the same, but so different. Talking and stomping and talking it out to everything, every day. My wonderful constant under a mercurial sky. But so many joys. The madcap ideas, ventures that light you up. Comfort, laughter, little routines we've cultivated and cherished. So much of this I'll remember and reflect upon with pure gratitude. It's beautiful. For you, the peace that I feel always, always, never asking for much but giving me all. I hope that you know how much I love you, appreciate you, adore you, for all that you are, and all that I am, because of your love, because of our love. I think that you do, Sarah. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful poem. Letter to Alex from Sarah. Sent to me. I don't think I want to say anything else. That's so beautifully written and thought about and put that I would ruin it with my words and my analysis and reflection of it. It's just lovely. It comes from the heart, and I'll tell you what makes me think something is that she's written a poem, and what I sent to my person was 2 poems that I wasn't brave enough to write myself, but that came to me when I was thinking about the question in the task. So it'd be interesting to see how many other people went to poetry to express how lockdown made them feel and who they wanted to send all their gratitude to. Lovely. It's made me smile, and it is, full of warmth. Home. The word home. It's made me realise, I was saying yesterday to my partner that our home has been really lived in and has felt really lived in more than it ever has in the last couple of months, and that's a really nice feeling. like everything's refreshed and replenished, and you just look around and you see things that have been taken out of drawers to be done later, and food that's been bought, and growing avocados on the windowsill, washing, waiting to go in the washing machine, washing on the lines. Yeah, it's never felt so lived in, and that's it's quite a privilege.